Hello guys, welcome to the new video in which we are going to see how you can buy your own hosting space for your WordPress website. Okay, but make sure that before buying the hosting space, you have your own domain which you have bought through GoDaddy platform. Okay, if you have not buy your own domain, first go to the GoDaddy platform and buy the domain name and then watch this video. Now, if you want to buy the hosting space, you have to go to the another company which is known as hostinger.in, which is the best company which provide the best hosting space with the best server time. And the main part is that their customer service is also the best based on my experience. I am not doing any promotion, guys. I am not going to provide you any affiliate links also through which I can get the revenue, not at all. But due to my experience from last 7 to 8 years, this company have given me a proper customer service, guys. That's why I'm just suggesting you this particular website, guys. Okay, so let's move to the screen without wasting any time, guys. So students, you have to simply come to the new browser and you have to search for the hostinger.in. And once you have came here, you have to just go to the hosting option here and click on web hosting. Okay, so once you click on a web hosting, if you scroll down, you will able to see lots of plans are available here: single, premium, business and cloud store. Whichever the plan you get fit, you can buy that plan. But I will suggest you, if you have one website for your own business or for your own personal part, go with the single plan. So I'm just going right now, I'm just going with the single, clicking on a choose plan here. Okay, and for how many months you have to buy this hosting space, you have to select that months. Now here is 48 months. For 48 months you are going to pay 3,312 rupees, guys. So now it's your decision for how much month you have to buy. Now we will go with the 12 months, guys. Okay, so for the 12 months the pricing is 1,908 rupees, but this is the subtotal without the GST. At the end we will able to see the total with GST, which will be go upper 2,000 rupees. Okay, so let's click on a continue button. After clicking on a continue button, you have to create the account. So I'm just creating the account with my Google, guys, with my Gmail. I'm just selecting my Gmail account here. Yes. Yes. Done, guys. My Gmail account has been connected. So students, you can see my account has been connected. Now the few information which you have to insert is like your number and state, city, street address and a zip code. Okay, so just let's insert my own number 072. Okay, now just insert a street, city, Bombay, street address. So guys, I have inserted all my information and I'm just clicking on a continue button right now. Okay, so once I click on a continue button, I will get the payment methods, and you can see now the total price has become 2,251 rupees, guys. So that's why, guys, I was telling first only that price was without the GST. Now here you can see the tax and fees has been added, and which is of 343 rupees. Okay, so now we are going to buy this through our UPI method. Okay, so let's click on a UPI here. Click on a submit payment, and you have to just insert your UPI ID here. I hope you know the UPI ID which comes under the Google Pay or Phone Pay, guys. Okay, so now guys, once you have inserted the UPI ID, the button has become green. Now you have to simply click on a continue, and once you click on a continue now, guys, on your UPI app you will get one notification of the payment. You have to just pay that amount, so your hosting space will be successfully yours, guys. So I'm just checking here. So students, see here, I have successfully done the payment and my hosting space has been successfully bought, guys. So see here, so once you buy the hosting space now, guys, now it's time to connect your domain and hosting space. Now why to connect is that we have bought the domain from the another company which is known as GoDaddy, and the hosting space is of another company which is known as Hostinger. We have to successfully connect these two important products, and only then you will be able to install the WordPress platform. So how to do that? That I'm going to show you guys. Once we have successfully bought the hosting space, now you will get this interface. You have to simply click on myself or my business, then click on the next option. Do you want to create or migrate a website? Now you have to click on I will create a website. Don't migrate it, guys. Okay. If you want to transfer your old website to a new domain, then this is the link which you can click on. This link, you can watch the video how to transfer it, then you can do it on your own self on your website, guys. So right now I will click on the first option, then I will click on the next. Now again you have to just skip this option, guys. Okay, I know there is a WordPress option is written here, but skip this option because further you can get confused. Okay, just click on a skip option. Okay, now here you have to insert the domain name which you have. So I'm just going to my GoDaddy account. So this is my domain. I'm just copying it and pasting it here. So here the hosting space is analyzing that this domain is byte or not. So yes, it is registered. I will click on it. Just click on next option. Once you click on the next option, by default here you have to select our country India and click on the next. And the process of setuping has been started here. So this may take some minute, guys, minute or 2 minutes. So yes, guys, we have successfully integrate. So now, guys, you can see the process has been successfully done. Okay, now just click on got it. Just remove this particular part. Okay, done, guys. Now, guys, just a minute, guys. Now our integration has been not successfully done because now the last step which you have to do is you have to copy the name server of your hosting space and paste it in your domain, guys. That is the main step to connect your domain and hosting space, guys. How to do that? So what you have to do is just click on this particular option which is known as see details, and here you will find the name servers. See here, these are the name servers 1 and 2. Just copy one by one. I'm just copying the first one. Come back to your GoDaddy. Come to your domain. Near the domain only you will find the DNS option. Just click on the DNS. Once you click on a DNS, just scroll down and click on a name server and click on change name server. Once you click on a name server, no, you will be able to see this way option, GoDaddy name server. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to click on I will use my own name server and paste here the name server of the hosting space. So it is already pasted, guys. So first only I have integrated this particular website. See here, copy this one, paste it here, copy this one, paste it here. But while pasting, make sure that there should be not space before and after, guys, here and here. Okay, after doing all this, just click on a saved, and after that click on a continue. So guys, after this step, guys, all of you, we have successfully connected our domain and hosting space, and now it's time to install your own WordPress platform, guys. Now it's time to install your own WordPress platform. So for that, once again you have to go to the hosting space. Okay, come back to the hosting girl, and once you come back from the left side, just scroll down and come to the website option, guys. Come to the website option. Here you will get an option known as WordPress. Just click on this WordPress option, and here you can see, guys, you will get an option of install WordPress. Just click on the install button here, and now it's time to insert the few information with your username and a password. So I'm just inserting here the name. So guys, once we have inserted the username and password, just click on the next button and click on install. The process of installation has been successfully started. Now just give a 1 to 2 minutes to the hosting space. It will successfully install your WordPress platform, and then I will show you how you can log into your own WordPress. Yes, guys, our WordPress platform has been successfully installed on a hosting space, and now we are ready to start designing our own website. Now to design a website, you have to first log into your WordPress platform. So for that, you have to go to the news tab. Just insert your domain name, whichever the domain you have. So I'm just inserting my domain here. After the domain, just insert the WordPress extension, which is known as /wp-admin, and just click on enter, and you will be able to see the username and password. Just insert the username and password which we have inserted while installing the WordPress platform. So that only I'm inserting here. And done, guys. Our WordPress has been successfully logged in, and now start your designing part. So students, I hope so you have understood how to buy the hosting space and install the WordPress. So follow these steps whenever you have required. And meanwhile, thank you so much all of you. Take care and bye bye, guys.